In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the Pear cam. I'm going to demonstrate a 2-inch Pear cam. However, it is worth noting that depending on the size of diameter of cam that you wish to make for a Pear cam, it may look slightly different. To start, we're going to create a 2D sketch on the YZ plane. We're going to start off with the big circle, or the big radius, that is half the value of the diameter. Since I'm making a 2-inch radius or 2-inch diameter cam, I will have a 1-inch bottom portion for this cam. Next, I'm going to create a circle on the y-axis, and this is going to be 1/4 of the value of the diameter, so this is 0.5. Next, I'm going to dimension the circles, the centers of the circles together by simply selecting the two circles with my dimension tool. I'm going to offset this by half of the value of the diameter. Next, I'm going to create 2 lines that are touching both circles. Next, I'm going to constrain those 2 lines using the tangent tool. This is especially critical to make this shape look correct. I'm going to select the line and the circle I wish to make a tangent relationship with. Same thing with the line and the bottom circle. Do the same thing on the next line. Next, I'm going to create the opening for the axle handle, again on the point of origin. This is 3/16 of an inch. Finally, I'm going to trim the portions that I do not need. Next, I'm going to finish sketch. I'm going to extrude to the proper thickness. Next, I'm going to create the work planes that are essential for assembling your cam. The first plane that we're going to create is using the tool from previous videos called the mid-plane between 2 planes. And just as before, we will select the front and the back. Next, we will create a work plane that goes through the middle once again, perpendicular to the work plane that we just created. We kind of already know that it's going to be the XY plane, so if it's different for yours, that's okay, as long as it's vertical and it goes through the center circle profile. While the XY plane in my case is selected, I'm going to select the offset from plane. And just as before, the offset will be 0, so we just need to click the green check mark. This concludes the Pear cam tutorial.